Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix Bloxstrap Multi Roblox not working. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. This fix won't work properly if you're offline. If you don't have Bloxstrap yet, open your browser and search for Bloxstrap. Click the official website and download and install it using the main download button. Once that's done, open Bloxstrap. You should land on the main menu. From there, click Bootstrapper on the left. Now look for the option that asks to confirm when launching another Roblox instance and turn that on. This is important for Multi Roblox to work. Next, go to Engine Settings. Scroll down until you see Frame Rate Limit and change it from 0 to 240. After that, click the Bloxstrap tab on the left, find Automatic Updates and turn that off. Once everything is set, restart Bloxstrap and Multi Roblox should now work properly. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.